state of mind, stability and balance will be the solution for every moment. How to be in state of mind? We need to have control and concentration in every second. You see, it's not easy. Nothing is easy, nothing is free. Called by Jack Ma. Don't worry, we only have 24 hours in a day. Whatever love or not, whatever hate something, whatever happy and sad, whatever busy and everything, we only have 24 hours in a day. So to be enjoying every moment. When we are keeping state of mind, we can enjoy every moment. To be stable, whatever. There is no excitement, there is no worry, and there will be stabilized in the streaming, something like that. The final gate is we learn to be smile. Smile will be the solution. Smile will be the grateful of all time. I will say it again. Learn to be smile. Smile will be the grateful of all time. And state of mind. We say try and we stay keep learning. Everything is learning. Something like that. So it's all about that today. We enjoy every moment by state of mind. It's about beauty, it's about ugly, something frustrated. Many people like the beautiful, many people like the smiling, the good one, the shining. Nobody wants the darkness and ugliness. But as a human, we need to face this every moment. So to be sometimes to be not excited about us. To be stable is the good one. And the silent is the sun key. Watching and waiting, question and listening. Some bringing. You can looking, you can listen without looking. It's okay. So that is all about today. Thank you for today and thank you for now. Thank you for the second. Every second is gone. Hope sure to be beautiful in every second. We learn to be smile in every moment. It's not easy. Sometimes maybe difficult, but it's not impossible. It's about that. Something like that. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye for now. Everything will be okay with state of mind.